Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today I've installed the Starline Duo on this 2022 BMW iX. So this includes a tracker with call alerts, which is a tag-based system. So if the vehicle's hit, lifted or moved without the tag present, the customer gets a phone call. And then we've got a push sequence and phone paired immobiliser to protect the vehicle from being stolen. So the way the immobiliser works, if someone was to hop in, start the vehicle up with a cloned key and go to drive away, the vehicle dies and the customer needs to go through authorization by either pairing up their phone through Bluetooth with an adjustable range or by going through a push sequence on the steering wheel. So to do that, start the vehicle up, put the push sequence in, we've set 1, 2, 3, hear our melody and we can drive the vehicle. So to change the code, first you have to turn the ignition on with a triple press. Disarm the system, 1, 2, 3. Now we've got to cycle the ignition. On this vehicle, it takes about 10 seconds. Now it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set it to 1, 2, 3 for now. We'll wait for a confirmation. And again. We've got the same confirmation, and that's the code changed. Now if we turn the ignition on, we get no melody. So to disarm the system, 1, 2, 3. There we go, we can drive the vehicle away. This can also be paired to the customer's phone, so they don't have to do the push sequence every time they get in the vehicle. Also, when they want to take it for a service, first you have to disarm the system. So triple press, put the code in, get your disarm melody, and then press any button 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off. Ignition on. 2 bleeps, and now this is in service mode. So BMW can do what they need to do. You don't need to disclose the code or the phone to them, and they can just drive it around as if it was a normal car. When you get it back, just ignition on, pop your disarm code in, 2 bleeps, and this is protected again. Finally, we'll just show you the tracker. So if we place this Bluetooth tag out of range, give it a minute to set, and then attempt to relay attack, start the vehicle up, you'll see the customer gets a phone call. So now the tag out of range, you just start the vehicle up. Obviously the thief won't be able to drive it away as it will stall. There we go, and the customer gets alerted.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Dial 0. Alarm 0. Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So the customer will also get a phone call like that if the vehicle is hit, lifted or moved in their absence with this tag not present. So if you want to get one of these or the pair fitted to your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.